Step into a home that feels like a postcard from Paris. Moldings that frame the light, chevron floors that whisper history, and materials that get better with time. In this video, we'll decode the Parisian blueprint room by room, the salon's balance of scale and softness, the bistro calm dining corner, ivory shaker kitchens with brass glow, and a bedroom that rests instead of shouts. Along the way, I'll show you the 3-2-1 rule I use with clients: 3 textures, 2 metals, 1 statement line, to lock the look without overstyling. Keep watching for rental-friendly fixes and a quick before/after styling pass you can copy tonight. The salon opens with herringbone floors and delicate boiserie. It's a room that frames conversation, golden hour light, and quiet evenings by the marble fireplace.
Every line serves the architecture. Low seating, rounded forms, and textures that invite you to sit, read, and stay.
A gilded mirror crowns the mantel, reflecting a palette of creams, stone, and soft grays. The effect is elegant yet wonderfully livable.
Tall French windows flood the living space with softness, balancing statement pieces with effortless comfort. This is quiet luxury done right.
In the kitchen, ivory shaker fronts meet Carrara marble and brass hardware, creating a backdrop that feels both classic and refreshingly current.
Zellige tiles add a handmade shimmer, catching the light in a way that makes everyday rituals, coffee, flowers, supper, feel special.
The dining area channels bistro charm, curved chairs, linen, and candlelight that makes every meal feel celebratory without trying too hard. In the kitchen, ivory shaker fronts meet Carrara marble and brass hardware, creating a backdrop that feels both classic and refreshingly current.
Gentle color takes the lead here. Soft taupes, warm whites, and textures that soothe after the city fades. The result is spa quiet, crisp, clean lines, flattering light, and materials chosen to feel better with time. Zinc rooftops stretch to the horizon, soft light on stone facades.
Privacy comes from a lattice screen softened with climbing vines.
The city beyond remains present, never intrusive.
Mornings begin on the wrought iron balcony with a croissant and the city below. Evenings drift into conversations with windows open to the trees.
Outside your door, cafes, galleries, and markets that make everyday errands feel like small rituals.
It's the best of Parisian living, heritage, craft, and comfort, woven into the routines that matter most.
This is an address that holds its value in beauty as much as in bricks.
Stone, iron, and linen, materials that weather beautifully over time.
Black metal defines the edges. Linen and wood soften the core.
Rail-mounted boxes bring herbs within arm's reach. Morning light is soft and cool, evenings turn gold and cinematic.
Terracotta pots with lavender, rosemary, and a small olive tree.
If this Parisian tour sparked ideas, subscribe and turn on notifications. New practical design tips every week.